So we are looking at fabrication of chicken wing, right? So we look for the joints and cut the wing in two, or should I say three pieces. So that's the wing. Yeah. Look for the joint, cut off the second leg. Once you cut the second leg, then you cut again in the other joint, and then there you would have two pieces of wings. Yeah, run through again, cut off the second leg right in the joint, and then cut in the other joint, and you get the second leg. There you have it. So that piece of fat that you see there, that should cut off, but for this process we make it stay on it. All right, always remember to remove the feathers from your wings. So we'll continue jointing, and one chicken wing actually give you two pieces of wing, right? That's the second leg here, and then joint again, and then you'll find the other wing. All right, and that other piece that's there, we don't normally use it, but I'll be using it for this purpose. Now we continue the jointing process of the chicken wing. So we continue cutting and carrying on with the process. Always remember to remove the feathers from the wing, right? So again, I'm showing it to you, the second leg and the other piece of wing that we would joint to get the second wing, yeah? All of this is based from experience. You know, to find the joint quickly and accurately, alright?
Jaja. Exactly. Tell us everything. I forgot to change the plan. I forgot to change the plan slightly. It's alright, don't worry about it.
So there we are, rubbing in our chicken seasoning and our garlic salt into the chicken wings. We are massaging it in so gently, allowing the seasoning to melt and go inside of that meat to give us that wonderful flavor that we are looking for.
Pause that for me. Pause that for me.
Now, in the same breath, we are going to be fabricating some fish fillet, some bangamere fish fillet. So what we're going to be doing is just cut these fillets in two and wash them, and then we season them with some fish spice, and we will dust them with a bit of flour and fry. So what we'll be doing is just fry fish fillet along with the barbecue wings and regular wings. Yes, what a menu. What you think about it? Drop a line in the comment section and tell me what you think about this menu. Would you eat this chicken along with the fish and some bread rolls? Yeah, leave a comment. Now it's time to add our wings onto the pot, or should I say in the pot with oil. Ensure that the oil is hot, flaming hot, before you add the chicken. Once you add the chicken, then you wait until it achieves the color that you want, that you're looking for, before you turn it. Alright? So the chicken is in the pot. Look at that. Look at that color. You think it's time to remove from the pot? Drop a comment in the comment section and let me know if this is the color that you want, and this is here you would remove your chicken from the oil, or you would allow it to fry more. Leave me a line and let me know if that's how you would have done your chicken wing. Now this chicken looks wonderful. It looks golden brown. It looks like the color that we are looking for. So it's time to remove it from the pot and onto our hand towel, where it would be drained until it's ready to be placed in a container for storage, or should I say for holding, before we serve. So remember now guys, once you add your chicken to the pot and you reach the color that you desire, then you turn it and allow the other side to catch the same color, and you keep the process going until all your wings are finished and gone home dry and ready for the next step. So now we are going to be putting some fish on the flame as well. Get some fish, start frying. So ensure that the oil is hot. Then you want to get some flour on your fish, and then you add them to the pot. Ensure that 3/4 or half of the fish submerge in the hot pot, and the process of frying will begin. Yes, the cooking process continues with the frying of the fish fillet. Yum, 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 yum. Look at that color that we're having here already. Don't you think you would have a slice of this fish right now? Yes, I knew I would. And I know some of us watching this video at this time would have a slice of that fish with piece of bread and piece of pear right now. Don't it? Yes. Now, this is our wing. that's going to be added to a sauce, and once it's added to the sauce, it now becomes barbecue chicken wings. All right. So there you have your barbecue chicken wings. Yes, along with some original fry wings as well. But this is the barbecue along with the original right beside it. Don't you like how this looks? Barbecue chicken wing. Yes, I know I love it. And I'm looking forward of getting some into my taste bud. Those are the original pieces. No sauce has been added onto it as yet. This is the final look on our fish. We could have add some more garnish to it and all, but we work with what we have, and this is the finished product for our fried fish fillet. Look at it. It's still not bad, could be better, but it doesn't look bad.